Anna, I don't feel well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a headache, and I don't know what medicine to buy.
Don't worry, Kenny, at American Pharmacy.
Really?
Let's do it together.
Okay, Kenny, tell me what happened.
Last night, I started feeling sick. First, I had a headache. Then, my throat started hurting. And this morning, I felt even worse.
Oh no. Did you take any medicine?
No, I didn't know what to buy, and honestly, I was afraid to ask questions.
That's completely normal. Many English learners feel the same way. But today, we're going to practice together. So, what should we do?
I think I need to go to a pharmacy.
Good idea. But before we go, let's practice some useful sentences.
Really?
Of course. Let's start. Repeat after me. I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Great. Now say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Excellent. And one more. I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Perfect. Now let's go. Arriving at the pharmacy.
Wow, there are so many medicines here.
I know, but don't panic. Let's ask for help. Hello. How can I help you today? It's okay. Take your time.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache and I have a sore throat.
I see. Amazing. You've already learned how to explain your symptoms, ask for help, and start a conversation at a pharmacy. But don't leave yet. Next, Kenny will learn how to ask for medicine, understand instructions, and solve an unexpected problem. Let's continue.
I see.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I can recommend this medicine.
Thank you. How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. Before you take this medicine, I need to ask you something. Are you allergic to any medication?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Are you allergic to any medication?
Anna, what does allergic mean?
It means your body reacts badly to a medicine.
Oh, no. I'm not allergic to any medication.
Great. Then this medicine should be fine. Okay, Kenny. The pharmacist recommended 2 types of medicine. One is a tablet. The other is a liquid medicine. Which one would you prefer?
I think I'll take the tablets, please.
Sure. The tablets are easy to take.
Thank you. May I ask a question?
Of course.
How many days should I take this medicine?
You should take it for 5 days.
Okay. And should I take it before or after meals?
Good question. Take this medicine 30 minutes before meals and take the other medicine 30 minutes after meals.
I see. Thank you.
Yes. Please drink warm water, avoid cold drinks, and try to get some rest for 1 or 2 days. You should feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Kenny. Here is your medicine. Remember to take it on time. Take this one 30 minutes before meals and take the other one 30 minutes after meals. Don't drink anything cold. Drink warm water, get some rest, and you'll feel better in a day or 2.
Thank you, Anna. I'll follow your advice. Honestly, I feel much more confident now. I can ask questions in English, and I can understand the instructions, too.
Okay, Kenny. The pharmacist recommended 2 types of medicine. One is a tablet. The other is a liquid medicine. Which one would you prefer? Here's your bill.
How much is it?
It's $12.50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
So, Kenny, how do you feel now?
Honestly, I feel much better. Not just because of the medicine, but because I spoke English.
That's wonderful. What did you learn today?
I learned that I don't need perfect English. I just need the courage to speak.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Can you recommend some medicine?
Can you recommend some medicine?
How often should I take it?
How often should I take it?
I'm not allergic to any medication.
I'm not allergic to any medication.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Amazing work today. You didn't just learn English. You learned how to handle a real-life situation.
And I feel much more confident now. Remember, practice every day. Even 5 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. Speak whenever you can. At home, in the car, at work, anywhere.
Thank you for practicing with us. And if you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more real-life English stories. We'll see you in our next adventure. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.